What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about East-West Best Credit Cards. Pag-uusapan natin guys, ano nga ba yung best credit card for you? Kasi hindi lang siya basta-basta credit card guys. It comes with different perks and benefits. Kaya naman kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-travel, mahilig kayo kumain sa restaurants, mahilig kayo mag-shopping, may kanya-kanyang credit card na nababagay sa'yo. Kasi kung depende siya kung ano yung lifestyle na meron kayo, mahilig kayo sa travel, so kailangan nyo yung credit card na kung saan may free lounge access. At the same time, makaka-avail kayo ng free tickets sa airplane in the future while you are using your East-West credit card kasi naiipon yun. Tapos kung mahilig naman kayo sa shopping, kailangan yung credit card na may cashback, which is kung magkano yung nagastos ninyo, may ibabalik na amount para at least mabawasan yung nagastos ninyo. Kaya naman pag-uusapan natin yan at saka yung income requirements. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa ito channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, based on recent accolades and features, the East-West Visa Platinum is widely considered the best overall, recognized as the best cashback credit card by the ASEAN Banker. For frequent travelers, the East-West Priority Visa Infinite or Platinum MasterCard are top choices, particularly for their lounge access and travel insurance. Here's the breakdown of the best East-West credit cards based on specific needs. So nandito yung breakdown guys, bawat features ng best credit card ni East-West. Best for overall cashback. Top choice. East-West Visa Platinum offers high cashback rates of 8.88% on dining, department stores, utilities, gas, and online shopping. It provides up to 20 million pesos in travel insurance and 0.30 rebate on other spend. Note, requires a high annual income. So, yung annual income naman ng East-West Visa Platinum is 1 million. Pero, yung perks and benefits naman niya guys is 8.88% on dining, department stores, utilities, gas, and online shopping. So, ngayon kapag mahilig kayo kumain sa labas, mag-shopping sa department stores, at saka utilities, internet, tubig, ilaw, ganyan. Then, pag magpapagas kayo, gasolina sa sasakyan, then online shopping, 8.88% yung cashback niya. When you say cashback, ibabalik yan. Iki-credit yan balik sa account ninyo, sa credit card na yan. So, kahit pa paano, on the next billing cycle, mababawasan yung bills ninyo kasi babawasan ng cashback ninyo. Yun nga lang, yung annual income requirement niya is around 1 million. So, medyo mataas talaga siya. Then yan, tip ko na lang sa inyo guys, much better na mag-start muna kayo sa mababang credit card, tapos habang tumatagal, i-upgrade nyo na lang. Kasi pumapayag sila kapag na-build ninyo yung credit score ninyo sa kanila or yung relationship. Then next guys is best for travel and luxury. When we say luxury, ibang level yun ah. East-West Priority Visa Infinite. Designed for high net worth individuals, offering a low 1.70% foreign currency conversion fee. Complimentary Priority Pass Airport Lounge Access, and 10,000 PHB cashback welcome gift. So ito naman si East-West Priority Visa Infinite is designed siya sa mga high net worth individuals. So when we say high net worth, yung mga malalaki yung earnings nila. So meaning, mayayaman. Offering a low foreign conversion fee which is 1.70% lamang. Then may 10,000 welcome cashback pa siya as gift. Then yung East-West Platinum MasterCard features free lifetime membership, priority pass membership for airport lounges, and comprehensive travel insurance of up to 20 million pesos. So ito naman yung maganda guys sa East-West Platinum MasterCard. No? Wala siyang membership, lifetime yun, pero ano siya, may priority pass membership sa airport lounges. So, ibig sabihin, pwede kayo makapag-access ng airport lounges using your East-West Platinum MasterCard and then covered pa siya ng travel insurance up to 20 million pesos. Of course, ma-avail yung 20 million kapag ginamit mo siya pang flight or mag-travel kayo. Next is East-West JCB Platinum. Tailored for travel and shopping in Japan. Kasi when we say JCB kasi guys, JCB stands for Japan Credit Bureau. So meaning, more on benefits niya, yung perks and benefits niya is more may enjoy sa Japan. Offering lounge access and high-end privileges. So, ito naman yung kinagandahan sa East-West JCB Platinum. Pangatlo is, best for daily expenses, groceries, and fuel. East-West Everyday Titanium Mastercard provides up to 5% cash rebates on supermarket, gas, and drugstore purchases. Ito naman si Everyday Titanium is 5% yung rebates niya sa supermarket, sa gas, and drugstore purchases. Then, East-West Pure Gold Always Panalo Visa. Ideal for loyal shoppers, offering 1 point for every 30 pesos spent at Pure Gold, which can be converted into 1 PHP via P-Wallet. So, ito yung, from the word itself, Pure Gold. So, East-West Pure Gold Always Panalo Visa is may enjoy nyo siya kapag loyal customer kayo ni Pure Gold. Tapos, in every 30 pesos spent is 1 point siya, which is equivalent to 1 peso na pwede siyang i-convert via P-Wallet or Pure Gold Wallet. Ganun naman yung kagandahan sa East-West Pure Gold Always Panalo Visa. Then ngayon, ito yung breakdown guys, no? Sa Visa Platinum, cashback niya is 8.88% on dining, shopping, and utilities. Priority Visa Infinite naman is luxury travel siya, 1.70% yung forex conversion fee, then may lounge access siya. Platinum Mastercard is perks and travel, free lifetime membership. So, yung credit card ni East-West Bank na walang annual fee is yung Platinum Mastercard. Kung ayaw nyo magproblema sa annual fee membership, then you should go for Platinum Mastercard. Everyday Titanium, daily spending, 5% rebate on groceries and gas. Key considerations guys is income requirement. Premium cards like Visa Platinum and JCB Platinum require a minimum gross annual income of 1 million pesos. Kailangan yung tatandaan yon. Application method. Applying through their official channels, Esta chatbot website can yield better welcome bonuses, such as the 5,000 PHP bonus cash for the Visa Platinum. So kapag na-apply kayo sa Visa Platinum din na-approve, may welcome cashback siya ng 5,000 pesos. Then yung fees naman is many premium cards have high annual fees, but the Platinum Mastercard offers a waived annual fee for life. So, ulitin ko lang, yung East-West credit card na walang annual fee is si East-West Platinum Mastercard. Tapos yung may 8.88% naman na cashback is si Visa Platinum. So, same lang sila Platinum, pero Visa yung kaibahan ng isa na may annual fee na 5,000, tapos yung Platinum Mastercard is walang annual fee for life. Then, when it comes to choosing best credit card ni East-West, guys, dapat alam nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo sa buhay talaga. Mahilig ba kayong mag-travel? Then you should go for East-West Priority Visa Infinite. Kung mahilig naman kayo sa cashback, so you should go for East-West Visa Platinum. Tapos kung ayaw mo ng annual fee, you should go for East-West Platinum Mastercard. Then, kung gusto mo naman para sa daily expenses nyo, then East-West Everyday Titanium Mastercard provides up to 5% cashback on supermarket, gas, and drugstore purchases. Then, kung gusto naman, kung mahilig kayo sa Pure Gold, puro kayo Pure Gold na kung bibili kayo ng pagkain or mga groceries using Pure Gold, and kumuha kayo ng East-West Pure Gold Always Panalo Visa. Kasi mas maraming perks and benefits using that credit card sa Pure Gold talaga. So I think that's all for now sa may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!